Welcome back to my channel. Looking for your fun, fast and fabulous crochet project. This easy to make crochet purse is perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. In just a few steps, you will have a stylish accessory that's both practical and handmade with love. We will start with a basic foundation chain. The size depends on how wide you want your purse. Today we were chaining 31 stitches. From here we will work single crochet stitches back and forth to build the body of purse. Keep your tension even take your time. Crochet is all about the rhythm. Once the body is done, we will fold it in half and seam the sides together using a slip stitch or seam stitch. You can use the same yarn or stitch colors for contrast. Get creative. This gives your purse its classic pouch shape. Next up, the strap. You can crochet a simple chain, or for extra strength use a single or double crochet strap. Just measure the length you want and attach each end securely to the side of the purse. Want to add flair? Consider braiding yarn or adding a leather strap instead. To finish, we will add a button or magnetic snap for colors. You can also line your purse with fabric if you had like a cleaner look inside. Add tassels, beads, or even a charm. This is where you make it truly your own. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade crochet purse in under an afternoon. So try it, keep watching, keep smiling. Now goodbye till the next video. See you.